So there is a couple of good and bad news for myself. Welcome back, guys, in another episode. This week I'm stripping complete interior down, removing the seats, front, back. Yeah, I completely forgot how comfortable the car is. I've been in it for quite some time now, and yeah, you know. Anyways, yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna put everything inside of my van, which is fixed now, by the way, and take it over to my storage place, my new storage place, which is sorted now. So yeah, I hope you enjoy that. Let's begin. So I've got that stripped down now. I'm not too sure what to do with a ref counter. It wasn't working since the very beginning, since I've got the car. I'm not quite sure if that's fixable or not, or do I need to replace the counter. If anyone had an issue like that before, I know it's a quite common issue for the Virgins, but I just didn't get a chance to read anything more about it. So if any one of you knows anything about it, just please let me know. let me walk you through, guys, what I did here. So pretty much all of the interior is apart now. The only thing that I've got left is door cards, but I might as well just leave them on for now, because once the car is in a paint booth, I will have to remove them completely anyway. So yeah, so there is a couple of good and bad news for myself. The good news is the roof isn't as bad as I thought it might be. Yes, there is a rust on it, but it's only on the surface. It didn't go all the way through, so it's still solid. It doesn't bend or anything. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna end up sandblasting this down, and probably with some primer and then the paint on the top of that. Bad news is both driver and passenger floor panels are corroded, and they are rather weak. So I think I'm just gonna order new panels. That's it for today's, guys. Thanks for watching. My name is David, and I'll see you next week.